So I removed all this stuff from here. I don't know if this is really old drywall and that's the way it is, but I thought that the drywall now has a raw, like the back side is like this and the front side is white. I thought. So I guess they had planned to put this on and they just did very rough cuts. And I get that. So there's a lot of plastering here. There's a lot of plastering. I think what I'm gonna do, especially around that doorway, there's big gaps where the baseboards were. So I'm gonna put the trim around it now. That I'm gonna tidy up and yeah, I'm gonna tidy up and give it a mop. It's a little dusty. Not a lot, but a bit, and I don't like it. So that is all out. So if all goes well, I just might do the tile there next week or then the week after. That would be so awesome. Gonna have to see what we're gonna do with the crown mold, whether just snapping the top off, because that breaks very easily, just tearing it off, because that piece isn't going to come off until we get the new kitchen, because we can't take it off. What I may do is just paint that the same color as I'm gonna paint this. At least it'll just kind of blend in a bit. I don't know. Because what I was going to do was just finish up until the doorway there where the fridge is, that side, and then just leave everything as is in the kitchen. Going to mop, and then I will let you see how it looks. I mean, it's grungy, but it completely opens up the space. Like, it just gives it a bigger, more open type of feel. Hard to get this all vacuumed. I also want to vacuum the walls because there's some, not a lot of dust, but just a little bit. It's interesting because over here it seems to be lighter than everywhere else. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this done, and I'll show you after. What a relief. So I vacuumed and mopped, so I've got everything back where it belongs. So I'm gonna have a tea right now. I'm gonna sit down, put up my feet, and get ready for tomorrow.